Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the enclosure and cable, NVMe versus SATA, USB-C versus USB 3.0, and whether the enclosure needs external power. Once connected, make sure the host recognizes the drive in Disk Utility or Device Manager. If it doesn't, swap the cable or port. You should already have a backup of important data on the host. Now open the partitioning tool, Disk Utility, Disk Part, or Gparted, and prepare to initialize the new SSD for formatting. You'll format and optimize the SSD so it performs well. Pick XFAT for cross-platform transfers, NTFS for Windows only, or apps for Mac OS. Once chosen, create partitions and align them. 1 MB alignment for SSDs is standard to avoid performance loss. If the OS supports trim for external drives, enable it to maintain long-term speed. Adjust allocation unit size based on file types, larger for media, smaller for many small files, and enable write. You finish by moving data and verifying integrity. Use checksums or compare file sizes after big transfers. Once done, set an automated backup schedule and always eject the drive before unplugging. If you repurpose the SSD, perform a secure erase via the manufacturer tool. If the drive fails to mount, start with the simplest fixes. Try another cable and port, confirm the enclosure has power, update drivers, and run disk repair utilities. If problems persist, test the SSD in another system to isolate hardware versus software issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.